And here's a nice job of number 2. So when we're converting between meters to centimeters, what you do is you start out with your units here. You set up the conversion factor, and you make sure that the units on the top cancel the units on the bottom. So we're converting meters to centimeters. So see how that's going to cancel out. Meters divided by meters is gone. The second part where most people get stuck is making sure the conversion factor is right. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So you multiply this times this, so it's 100 times this, and it's 10 to the 6, and it's 2 more decimal places, so it's 2.6 times 10 to the 8 centimeters. Don't forget your units, okay, kids? This one here, kiloliters to milliliters, this is a two-stepper because we don't have a direct conversion from kiloliter to milliliter, but we do have kiloliter to liter and liter to milliliter. So let's do the first conversion factor, and the units on the top and the bottom are the same here, so those cancel out. And we're going from kiloliter to liter. Make sure that there's 1,000 liters in 1 kiloliter. Number 1 killer of problems. And then from liter to milliliter, so 1,000 milliliters. In your calculator, you're just going to do this times 1,000 times 1,000, which is basically 10 to the 3, 10 to the 3, 10 to the 6, and this is one more place, so it should be 10 to the 7. So it's 1.56 times 10 to the 7. Don't forget to do an estimate and make sure that all of these things make sense. Sometimes people flip 1,000 liters in 1 milliliter, but if you think about what a milliliter is and what a liter is, you know that that can't be true. So just pay attention. It can be challenging. Micrograms to kilograms. So here it is, micrograms. This is the same as the last one, and we don't have a conversion between these two. But we can go between micrograms and grams. We know that there's 10 to the 6 micrograms in 1 gram. And we know for 1 kilogram there's 1,000 grams. So we can go from microgram to gram to kilogram. So here's our conversion factor. Micrograms, micrograms. So it's this times this divided by this. And that converts micrograms to grams. And then from gram to kilogram, grams, grams over kilogram. In the calculator, you just do this number times this divided by this times this. Use parentheses in your calculator if you get stuck. Hey, this answer here is to the -7, but it should be to the -6. And you can check that if you think in terms of exponents. This is 10 to the 6 plus 10 to the 3, that's 10 to the 9. And this is 10 to the 3. So what happens, you subtract the top from the bottom when you divide. So it should be 10 to the 3rd minus 10 to the 9th, which is 10 to the -6. So that's that. Okay. Last one here, nanoseconds to second. This is a straight one-step conversion because we do have a conversion between nanoseconds and seconds. There are 10 to the 9th nanoseconds in 1 second. So here's the units on the top and the bottom. And so it's going to be this times this divided by this. These two cancel, and our answer is in seconds. And it's 6.92 times 10 to the -8. And if we converted this 6.92 times 10 to the 10 to the 1st over 10 to the 9th, it's 1 minus 10 to the 1st minus positive 9. That should be -8. So if you followed me on that, cool. If not, don't worry. But put in your calculator, and you get that. So there you go, kids. That's how you do it.